Due to our growing global presence, we're naturally getting a lot more requests for camera systems from various user groups from all over the world.
The idea for the project originated from the American market. In the USA, standard inspection cameras, typically around 30 meters or 100 feet in length, are inadequate for examining household drains.
And that's how the idea of the Wöhler VIS 750 evolved.
I can easily manage everything while standing up or rotate the monitor, including the anti-glare protection when I'm outside. A major factor to show how user-friendly our product is that our FIS 700 has a solid track record featuring a touch display, an HD monitor, and easy one-handed control with a joystick. These elements should definitely be included again. And what was very important to us was that I didn't have to walk through a building with a dirty and wet reel, as the dirt stays in the trolley for the time being, but that the case can be easily cleaned later when the job is finished.
We have previously worked on creating a system design that caters to a wide range of users.
A lot of small features we developed during the prototype phase have been included in the final product. We invested in a brand new, large 3D printer specifically for this project. This was crucial for conducting inspections at an early stage, to receive quick feedback initially from colleagues, and later, of course, also from customers, so the feedback can be included.